Hello everyone, I'm Aksh from Angels Palace International School, Sohana, with my teammates Mishti, Mukul, and Shaurya. We are from 9th standard, and today we are making an automatic fire extinguisher. Now, Mukul will show you its components.
We have used a fire sensor, a power cut relay, a battery, and DC motor, and 3 mist foam makers and PVC pipes.
Thank you, Mukul. Now, Mishti will tell you about its working, how it works.
As you know, this is flame sensor which senses out the flame. As it will get on, the motors will automatically get on and it will supply the gas which we have made from these two gases, calcium carbonate and acetic acid.
Thank you, Mishti. Now, Shaurya will show you its working, that how it works.
We put here a fire sensor which give power to relay and relay give power to the motor inside of this box. The motor will power the CO2 which comes out from these nozzles and it blows up. Thank you.
Now I will tell you about our prototype in little bit brief. So here's the automatic fire extinguisher. In this we use a flame sensor, a relay, battery, the 3 separate power supplies for the mist makers and the PVC pipes. So the mist makers generates the gas which we for that we use these two acids, calcium carbonate and acetic acid. So acetic acid and calcium carbonate reacts with water and forms CO2. And after this, as the fires come ahead, this flame sensor, it senses the fire and give power to this relay. Now this relay put up the motor, and as the motors get on and gets a power supply, it just blows out the gas which inside this box through these nozzles, which extinguishes the fire. We know this is a problem, major problem, due to that many accidents can happen.
For this we have made a synopsis, as you can see here. In this we have written the problem, its problem statement, its effect and its causes.
So the main thing about is that we don't need any type of different cylinders and all to make a CO2 gas. We just need some small chemicals and which can generate CO2. Other chemicals we also use, but these are the main chemicals which we have to use. So thank you and happy.